What if the food on your plate today could either fuel disease or strengthen your body's natural defense system? Science continues to show that certain everyday foods contain powerful compounds that support cellular protection, reduce chronic inflammation, and help lower the risk of cancer over time. Some of these foods are simple, affordable, and probably already in your kitchen. Stay with me until the end, because food number 14 is one of the most underestimated cancer-fighting powerhouses that most people ignore. Food number 1. Broccoli. Broccoli is one of the most researched vegetables when it comes to cancer prevention. It contains a powerful compound called sulforaphane, which has been studied for its ability to activate detoxification enzymes inside the body. These enzymes help neutralize and eliminate potentially harmful substances before they can damage healthy cells. Broccoli also supports healthy cell signaling and may help protect DNA from oxidative stress. What makes it even more powerful is that chopping it and letting it sit for a few minutes before cooking helps activate its beneficial compounds. Light steaming preserves most of its nutrients while improving digestibility. Adding broccoli to your meals just a few times per week can significantly strengthen your body's natural defense system over time. Food number 2. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are one of the richest dietary sources of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant responsible for their deep red color. Lycopene has been widely studied for its ability to help protect cells from oxidative stress, one of the key processes that can contribute to long-term cellular damage. By helping neutralize free radicals, lycopene supports the body's natural defense mechanisms and helps maintain healthy cell function over time. What makes tomatoes especially interesting is that cooking them actually increases the availability of lycopene. Tomato sauce, tomato paste, and even slow-cooked soups allow the body to absorb this compound more efficiently than raw tomatoes alone. When tomatoes are combined with healthy fats, like extra virgin olive oil, lycopene absorption improves even further, making simple Mediterranean-style meals a powerful strategy for cellular protection. Beyond lycopene, tomatoes also provide vitamin C, potassium, folate, and other protective plant compounds that work together to support immune function and reduce inflammation. Adding tomatoes to salads, sauces, stews, or even as a daily snack is an easy, practical way to strengthen your long-term health from the inside out. Before we move to the next food, please make sure to like the video and support the channel. It helps this information reach more people who truly need it. Food number 3. Berries. Berries such as blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are small in size, but incredibly dense in protective nutrients. They are loaded with powerful antioxidants called anthocyanins, which give them their deep blue, red, and purple colors. These compounds help neutralize free radicals that can damage cells over time. By reducing oxidative stress, berries support the body's natural ability to protect healthy tissue and maintain proper cellular balance. In addition to antioxidants, berries are rich in vitamin C and fiber. Vitamin C plays a key role in supporting immune function and collagen production, while fiber helps nourish beneficial gut bacteria. A healthy gut microbiome is strongly linked to reduced inflammation and better immune regulation, both essential for long-term disease prevention. This means berries don't just protect cells directly, they also strengthen the internal systems that defend your body every day. What makes berries even more powerful is how easy they are to include in your routine. You can add them to oatmeal, yogurt, smoothies, or simply enjoy them as a snack. Frozen berries are just as nutritious as fresh ones, making them accessible year-round. A simple daily serving can become one of the easiest and most effective habits for supporting long-term health. Food number 4. Garlic. Garlic has been valued for centuries not only as a flavor enhancer, but also for its powerful medicinal properties. It contains sulfur compounds such as allicin, which form when garlic is crushed or chopped. These natural compounds have been studied for their role in supporting immune function, reducing inflammation, and helping the body defend itself against cellular stress. By supporting these protective mechanisms, garlic contributes to long-term cellular resilience. Beyond its immune-supporting properties, garlic may also assist the body's natural detoxification processes. Certain sulfur compounds in garlic help activate liver enzymes responsible for neutralizing and eliminating potentially harmful substances. This is important because reducing the buildup of toxins helps lower unnecessary stress on cells and supports overall health balance. To maximize its benefits, it's best to crush or chop garlic and let it sit for about 10 minutes before cooking. This allows allicin to fully develop. Light cooking preserves more of its active compounds compared to high-heat frying. Whether added to soups, sauces, vegetables, or dressings, incorporating garlic regularly into your meals is a simple yet powerful way to strengthen your body's natural defense system. Food number 5. Olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is far more than just a cooking fat. It's one of the richest natural sources of protective plant compounds known as polyphenols. These antioxidants help reduce oxidative stress and support healthy inflammatory balance inside the body. Chronic inflammation is one of the underlying factors linked to many long-term diseases, so regularly including anti-inflammatory foods like olive oil can play an important role in maintaining cellular health. One specific compound found in high-quality extra virgin olive oil is oleocanthal, which has been studied for its natural anti-inflammatory effects. Some research even suggests it works in a similar way to certain anti-inflammatory medications, but in a gentler, food-based form. Olive oil also helps protect cell membranes from damage thanks to its rich content of monounsaturated fats, which are considered heart-healthy and supportive of overall metabolic balance. To get the maximum benefit, always choose cold-pressed extra virgin olive oil and store it away from heat and light. Using it in salads, drizzling it over cooked vegetables, or adding it after cooking helps preserve its delicate compounds. Making olive oil a daily habit, especially as part of a Mediterranean-style eating pattern, is one of the simplest and most powerful strategies to support long-term health and resilience. Food number 6. Leafy greens. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, arugula, and Swiss chard are among the most nutrient-dense foods you can eat. They are packed with folate, a B vitamin that plays a critical role in DNA repair and proper cell division. Supporting healthy DNA replication is essential for maintaining normal cellular function over time. When your body has enough folate, it's better equipped to protect and maintain the integrity of your cells. These greens are also rich in carotenoids like lutein and beta-carotene, which act as powerful antioxidants inside the body. Antioxidants help neutralize free radicals before they can damage healthy tissues. In addition, leafy greens contain chlorophyll, which has been studied for its potential role in helping the body bind certain toxins in the digestive tract, supporting natural detox pathways. What makes leafy greens especially powerful is how easy they are to incorporate daily. You can add them to smoothies, salads, omelets, soups, or sauté them lightly with olive oil and garlic. Even one serving per day can significantly increase your intake of protective nutrients. Consistently building your meals around leafy greens creates a strong nutritional foundation for long-term health and resilience. Food number 7. Carrots. Carrots are best known for their bright orange color, which comes from a powerful antioxidant called beta-carotene. Beta-carotene is converted by the body into vitamin A, a nutrient that plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy cells and supporting immune system balance. By helping protect tissues and support proper cell communication, carrots contribute to the body's natural defense mechanisms over time. Beyond beta-carotene, carrots also provide other protective plant compounds, such as polyacetylines, which have been studied for their potential role in supporting normal cellular function. Their antioxidant profile helps reduce oxidative stress, one of the key processes involved in long-term cellular damage. When combined with a diet rich in other colorful vegetables, carrots become part of a broader protective network of nutrients working together. Carrots are also a great source of fiber, which supports digestive health and nourishes beneficial gut bacteria. A balanced gut microbiome plays an essential role in regulating inflammation and supporting immune resilience. Whether eaten raw as a snack, roasted with olive oil, or blended into soups, carrots are a simple, affordable, and powerful addition to a long-term, health-focused diet. Food number 8. Green tea. Green tea has been consumed for thousands of years, but modern science continues to uncover why it deserves its reputation as a protective powerhouse. It is especially rich in antioxidants known as catechins, with one of the most studied being EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate. These compounds help protect cells from oxidative stress, which can damage DNA and disrupt normal cellular balance over time. What makes green tea unique is how its catechins support healthy inflammatory responses and cellular regulation. Instead of overstimulating the body, green tea works gently to promote balance within cells. Some studies suggest that EGCG may help support normal cell signaling pathways, an important factor in maintaining long-term cellular health. To get the most benefit, brew green tea with water that is hot but not boiling, and let it steep for a few minutes to preserve its delicate compounds. Drinking 2 to 3 cups per day can provide meaningful antioxidant support. Whether enjoyed warm in the morning morning or iced during the day, making green tea a daily habit is a simple yet powerful step towards strengthening your body's natural defense system. Food number 9. Grapes. Grapes, especially red and purple varieties, are rich in a powerful plant compound called resveratrol. This antioxidant is concentrated in the skin of grapes and has been widely studied for its role in supporting cellular protection. Resveratrol helps reduce oxidative stress and supports healthy inflammatory balance, both of which are important for maintaining normal cell function over time. Beyond resveratrol, grapes also contain flavonoids, vitamin C, and other protective polyphenols that work together to defend cells against environmental stressors. These compounds support healthy blood vessels, immune function, and overall cellular resilience. The combination of antioxidants in grapes makes them more than just a sweet snack. They become a strategic addition to a health-supportive diet. For maximum benefit, choose whole, fresh grapes rather than juice, since the fiber in whole grapes helps regulate blood sugar and supports gut health. The skin contains many of the protective compounds, so eating them whole is key. Adding grapes to salads, pairing them with nuts, or enjoying a small handful as a daily snack is an easy and enjoyable way to strengthen your body's natural defense system. Food number 10. Nuts. Nuts such as walnuts, almonds, and Brazil nuts may be small, but they are incredibly dense in protective nutrients. They provide healthy monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats that support cell membrane integrity and help maintain balanced inflammation levels in the body. Since chronic inflammation is linked to long-term cellular stress, regularly including nuts in your diet can contribute to a more protective internal environment. One of the standout nutrients found in certain nuts, especially Brazil nuts, is selenium, a mineral that plays a key role in the body's antioxidant defense system. Selenium helps activate enzymes that protect cells from oxidative damage. Nuts are also rich in vitamin E, another powerful antioxidant that shields cell membranes from free radical damage and supports immune function. Beyond their antioxidant profile, nuts provide fiber and plant-based protein, both of which support gut health and metabolic balance. Just a small handful per day is enough to gain benefits without over-consuming calories. Whether added to salads, blended into smoothies, or enjoyed as a simple snack, nuts are a practical and powerful addition to a long-term health-focused eating pattern. Food number 11. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits such as oranges, lemons, grapefruits, and limes are well known for their high vitamin C content, but their protective power goes far beyond that. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that helps defend cells against oxidative stress and supports the immune system's ability to function efficiently. By helping neutralize free radicals, vitamin C plays an important role in maintaining healthy tissues and supporting long-term cellular balance. In addition to vitamin C, citrus fruits contain powerful plant compounds called flavonoids, including hesperidin and naringenin. These compounds have been studied for their ability to support healthy inflammatory responses and protect cells from environmental stressors. The combination of antioxidants and flavonoids makes citrus fruits especially valuable for supporting the body's natural defense systems. Citrus fruits also provide fiber, particularly when eaten whole rather than as juice. Fiber supports digestive health and nourishes beneficial gut bacteria, which are closely connected to immune regulation. Adding fresh citrus slices to salads, squeezing lemon over vegetables, or enjoying a whole orange as a snack are simple daily habits that can strengthen your nutritional foundation over time. Food number 12. Mushrooms. Mushrooms are unique in the plant world because they contain special compounds called beta-glucans, which are known for supporting immune system balance. Instead of overstimulating immunity, beta-glucans help modulate it, meaning they support a well-regulated and properly functioning immune response. A balanced immune system is essential for identifying and responding to abnormal cells in the body. Certain varieties like shiitake, maitake, and oyster mushrooms have been studied for their immune-supportive properties. They also contain antioxidants such as ergothioneine, a compound that helps protect cells from oxidative stress. Unlike many antioxidants that break down easily, ergothioneine is relatively stable and accumulates in tissues that experience higher oxidative stress, offering targeted cellular support. Mushrooms are also low in calories but rich in fiber, B vitamins, and trace minerals that support overall metabolic health. Lightly cooking mushrooms helps make their nutrients more bioavailable while improving digestibility. Whether added to soups, stir-fries, omelets, or salads, including mushrooms regularly in your meals is a simple yet powerful way to strengthen your body's natural defense system. Food number 13. Whole grains. Whole grains such as oats, quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat contain the entire grain kernel, including the bran, germ, and endosperm, which means they retain their full spectrum of nutrients. Unlike refined grains, whole grains are rich in fiber, B vitamins, minerals, and protective plant compounds. This fiber plays a critical role in digestive health and helps support the body's natural elimination processes. One of the most important benefits of whole grains is their impact on the gut microbiome. The fiber in whole grains feeds beneficial gut bacteria, which in turn produce short-chain fatty acids that support healthy inflammatory balance and immune regulation. Since the gut is closely connected to immune function, maintaining a healthy microbiome is a key part of long-term disease prevention. Whole grains also help stabilize blood sugar levels by slowing digestion and preventing sharp spikes. Balanced blood sugar reduces metabolic stress on the body and supports overall cellular health. Swapping refined grains for whole versions, like choosing brown rice instead of white rice or whole grain bread instead of white bread, is a simple but powerful step toward building a more protective and resilient diet. Food number 14. Turmeric. Turmeric is a bright golden spice that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and modern research continues to explore its powerful properties. Its active compound, curcumin, is widely studied for its strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Since chronic inflammation and oxidative stress are two major contributors to long-term cellular damage, curcumin plays an important role in supporting the body's natural defense systems. What makes curcumin especially interesting is its ability to influence multiple cellular pathways involved in inflammation and normal cell signaling. Rather than targeting just one mechanism, it works on several levels to help maintain balance inside the body. This broad-spectrum support is one of the reasons turmeric has gained so much attention in scientific research focused on long-term health and disease prevention. To maximize absorption, turmeric should be combined with black pepper, which contains piperine, a compound that significantly enhances curcumin bioavailability. Adding turmeric to soups, stews, eggs, smoothies, or even warm tea can make it easy to include daily. Consistently incorporating this golden spice into your meals is a simple yet powerful strategy for strengthening your body's resilience from the inside out. Food number 15. Avocado. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which help maintain healthy cell membranes and support balanced inflammation in the body. Healthy fats are essential because every single cell in your body relies on strong, flexible membranes to function properly. By providing these beneficial fats, avocados help create a stable internal environment that supports long-term cellular health. Beyond their healthy fat content, avocados are packed with fiber, potassium, folate, and antioxidants, such as lutein. The fiber supports gut health and feeds beneficial bacteria, which play a key role in immune regulation and inflammatory balance. Folate contributes to proper DNA synthesis and repair, while antioxidants help protect cells from oxidative stress over time. Another powerful benefit of avocados is their ability to enhance nutrient absorption. Because many protective compounds in vegetables are fat-soluble, adding avocado to salads or cooked greens can significantly increase the absorption of carotenoids and other antioxidants. Whether spread on whole grain toast, blended into smoothies, or sliced into salads, avocados are a simple yet strategic addition to a health-protective diet. Your body has incredible built-in systems designed to protect and repair itself every single day, but it depends on what you feed it. No single food is a magic cure, yet consistently building your meals around these nutrient-dense, protective foods can create an internal environment that supports long-term health and resilience. If you're serious about protecting your health naturally, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss important information like this. And share this video with someone you love, because knowledge like this can truly make a difference. Stay healthy, stay strong.